Hi guys, good morning. It's me and James and Tita Sherry, of course. And this is James. Babe! Wow! And today we are going to get some eggs here in the barn.
Hatching!
Alright, so okay, James is getting the 2 eggs.
It's hatching!
No, it's not hatching. Okay, good on. Get it. Pick it out. Pick.
How? Chicken.
Put inside in your bucket, babe. Lay. Don't break it. Put it inside, please.
The bunny bucket?
Yeah. Okay. That's perfect.
That's the bunny.
Alright, so that's a bunny bucket, and I think, yeah, we are ready for Easter. And that's
It's
the house of the eggs, and we have a new eggs. New chicky chicks. Oh boy. Well, ayaw ko naman matusik dito, no, di ba? Wala tayo balak magpatusik sa chicken. Alright, so she's guarding here chicks. There you go, James. Let's go. And we have also here, and ang sarap na nilang katayin. They're beautiful. We have a lot of chicken here, and they are so look yummy.
No chicken. No, it's waiting.
Can we, James? Can Tita get it one of them, and to make a tinulang manok?
On the mail.
To cook it. Tita will gonna cook them. How about that? So we're gonna get the eggs because there is the mother hen. She's laying. I'm not sure of it, but maybe she's laying the egg or hatching the eggs. Okay, there you go. This is the rooster, and we have another one here. It's a huge. Look, he's a big. It's a huge rooster. And we have, how many mother hen we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are learning a math and numbers. Look at them. So we have 4 mother hen, 1 rooster. The rooster is a male chicken, and the hen is a female chicken. So how that's to explain. And this one is the eggs, and this is stinky. Stinky poop of the chicken. And there's an egg, James. Get it. Get the eggs, babe. Put in the bucket. It's alright. We can wash your hands. It's yucky.
I don't want
No,
it.
no, my shirt. On my shirt. Get it. So James and I were picking up the egg. Are you okay? I'm sorry. Do you want Tita to pick it up? Yeah?
Yes.
Ew. And James, you feel yucky.
I want the pig.
Okay, hold on. Hold it. Ouch. Hold it. Tita will pick it out. The eggs. So, okay. Alright. So, here our rooster, and we get 4 eggs. We have 4 eggs right now. And let me check another house here. So we don't have eggs here. It's a lot of wolves. So here in our house, James' house, we have here the malunggay tree. And right now, because of the winter season, we don't have really a lot of leaves. And that's a guava tree. And during summer, there's a lot of fruits of the guava tree. And we have limes, oranges, calamansi trees. We have a banana too, and we have a dog. The name of our dog here is Sam, and that's his Sam. He's a male dog, and I can show you. What is the name of our African tortoise, be? Come here. We're gonna show. And we have a horse here. And that's a James over there. James,
I know, Miss guys.
come on, babe. Come here to Tita.
I see something.
James, he is my new alaga here. Come here, babe. This is my adorable and huggable babe. You need to listen to Tita because that one is so yucky and there's a larvae. You know the larvae, it's maybe or the insects or the dirt or the germs that is in there, like the bacteria. Come here. I'm not scaring you. And he push it and that's it. Alright, so we're gonna introduce this African tortoise to them. So let's go. Bring your bucket. And Tita, not bring the bucket and watch out your head. That's why you're not going to bump. James! James! B! Come here! James! There's CJ is here! Come on! CJ is here! Come on! His head is over here! Come here! Let's CJ. 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 Yeah, CJ. CJ is here, James. Look, this is our African tortoise. I don't know, but that's just I know he's a African tortoise. His name is CJ, so meet him. This is our African tortoise. And his name is CJ. Do you like our African tortoise? Yes.
Like this.
He's so adorable and interesting creatures because he is quiet and he's old now. How old is he now? I have no idea how old is he, but he looks older now, and that's his face. If you look at that, look at him. So he's quiet and he's eating. What CJ he eats? James,
This one.
what is his food?
This one.
He's eating leaves. Okay, so James, he said he's eating leaves. And CJ's companion with Sam. And the other, we have the horse here. So let's go, let's show them the...
I want to eat.
I don't know. He's not, I don't think so. If he's eating the leaves. Maybe he's eating the lettuce. Oh, I think he's eating the lettuce. That's why Mama Baby sometimes she's saving some lettuce leaves for CJ. Right, CJ?
Where's the toes?
Talk to us, CJ. And that's Sam.
Where's
Alright.
red toes?
Oh, lettuce. Lettuce is a vegetables that we make for salad. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's move on to the horse. Oh, Bae, stand up. We're gonna feed the horse. Hurry
I
up.
want to feed her.
We're gonna feed the horse. Come on. Come on, Tita wants to feed the horse, not the turtle. We're gonna get some lettuce for CJ later. Let's
What's red toes?
We're gonna get back here. Let's go. Come on.
Red toes? This is the red
Stand up
toes?
now. That's not a lettuce. That's a guava leaves. So that's a guava leaf. If one is a singular form, is one is
Going down.
left. If leaves, because sometimes James he confused because the other words in the book that we studied, it's called leaves. And then one time there's a one leaf is a singular form, so it's called leaf. If plural form is two or one or two more than one, the
A red
plural form it's a leaves. So sometimes James he get confused about singular and plural form in English. And meat, we have a horse named Johnny, Rusty, Coco, and Cinnamon. Rusty. So that's Rusty. And this is Milo. James! So this is Milo. Is Prince Milo. That's his name. Prince Milo. And this is Rusty. And this is the hay that they're eating it. James, back here, babes! And James, he really likes.
AJ, go!
Who's AJ? CJ. CJ is here. She's not there.
CJ.
Oh, watch out your head. Watch out your head in the corner.
Hey, CJ.
Hey, CJ. We're gonna feed the horse. They're waiting to us. Prince Milo and Rusty.
Where's the rat horse?
No, we don't have a lettuce. We did not bring it. So we can get back later. For right now, as of now, we're gonna feed the horse. Let's go feed the horse. Okay, I'm going back in the house. Bye. So this is our guava tree here, James guava tree, and this is a very during the summer. There's a lot of guava fruits, and they're giving to the people, and that's it. No, that is not a lettuce. It's a guava leaf, babe. So this is it's a nice here that you can plant here some different kinds of plants, fruits, fruit trees like fruit trees. And what else we gonna plant here? We have avocado tree. We have lanzones, atis, and mango tree. What else? What else we have here, James? And James is trying to. What are you doing?
I'm doing the test on the week.
And James, he is the owner of this property. And James, don't scare the chicken. Don't scare them. And if you're scaring the mother hen, she's not going to lay the eggs. You know that because they are so sensitive too. So today we have a good weather. It's kind of chilly, but it's fine. We're enjoying the good weather today. It's a little bit freezy, but it's fine, and we're having a good time for walking around here in the outside the house and getting some sun. And yeah. Okay, so please remove that. Oh no, you cannot do that. There's nails, and it can stab your fingers, you know. Okay, it's dangerous. And watch out, this some metal. So James, so about this. So this is there's the horse area. There's a field around there, and yeah, there's and we have a chicken here, and there's a chick, and there's a mother hen. And don't put inside your fingers because he can tusik you. He can tusik you. What can it do, James? Oh, look at that. So James, he likes seeing them, and he loves to. Oh no! Wait! Oh, got a chick. I think she gonna. Oh, she can bite him. Oh wow! So beautiful. Look at them. So cute. They're so adorable chickens. So then we have. Actually, we have a 7. We have a 7 chicks, and then the 2 is, you know, namatay yung dalawa eh. So we have 5 left. That's the chicken. How are you, chicky chicks? Anyway, so let's go. Let's move on. James, let's go to feed the horse. James, we're gonna feed the horse. You're not listening right now, huh? Oh my, it's too chilly. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching, and Have a great weekend and enjoy your day. God bless you. Bye.